Graham Green.
Graham Green, and we are back with another Graham Green Graham Cam extended edit, and this time it's a very special upload. It's that time of the year again where we get to upload all the Valhalla footage, and we're starting off with Chibs. Before moving forward, my name is Graham Green. I'm a videographer, vlogger, DJ, and aspiring producer who has been bringing you the most lit and epic content from the underground rhythm and dubstep scene. I've been doing it since 2015, and since then I've taken up my own journey through this crazy world of DJing and producing and bringing you guys along for the ride. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the most recent uploads of me playing at Wobble End, Bucas Finest, my LA adventure, pretty much following my life from the beginning of April up until now. So we're almost there. We're almost chronologically correct with our uploads, but this was imperative. I needed to get this out. A lot of people were requesting for it, and it is literally some of the most fire footage I ever captured. I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory of what happened before this set. I have another video planned out that's gonna go in depth of the whole weekend, recapping what was going through my mind, my experience overall with Valhalla. About 12 hours before this, I was in Brooklyn for a Green Velvet and Scream show. It was amazing. And then afterwards I got in my car, picked up Danny Ranga, drove up 8 hours to Casabazua, Quebec, where the fucking festival was. And then we had to wait a little bit to get a ride to the festival. About 7 o'clock, that's when Chip started playing. I didn't show up until like 7:20, and I'm telling you guys, there's something about the vibe in the air. I don't know if like Chibs, he saw me and he was like, all right, time to unleash the fire. But once I got on that stage, guys, it was incredible. One of the best sets I have seen, and we're just gonna get into the footage right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to do that thing, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, welcome to the Church of Chibs.
I'm back. What's up? All right.
Frozen. Self-destruct sequence.
stop here real quick so I can give a special shout out to another vlogger named whoisbrian. So we live in a crazy world, guys. Back in the day when I started going to Valhalla in 2015, it kind of became like a staple of Graham Greene to be uploading the Valhalla footage, and back in the day I was the only person uploading Valhalla footage, mainly because, you know, like Valhalla was still like up and coming, you know, people really didn't know about it. But this year, guys, it's insane. Like, I went on YouTube, I looked up Valhalla, and I found like 15 different videos already uploaded. Like, what? I love seeing people try to bring their perspective in and, like, you know, show their story, and I'm not the only one anymore. Fuck yeah. I found whoisbrian from Florida. He had some killer footage of Chibs, so I asked him for some and I incorporated with my footage, and it ended up being pretty sick. So I hope you guys enjoy. Shout out whoisbrian. Check out his social media channels. All the links are down below.
on a Sunday. versa.
This was literally one of the craziest drops I've ever heard. This is definitely the craziest drop I've heard this year. The craziest tune ever. I, of course, acquired it. Amazing, amazing. I love it. Shout out Versa. Check him out. He is the future, guys. And it's pretty crazy. He was actually at my show in Miami in March, attending. He was in the crowd. I didn't even know. But luckily, I met him in Fort Lauderdale. Super chill homie. He is literally going to change the face of this industry. So I'm very excited for it.
Welcome back.
Versa.
Pilot control online. Thermal systems functional.
another clip from another YouTuber that I found. His name is FPS Festivals. He gets a great shot of me losing my mind during the Chibs set, and this is something that I actually want to incorporate more, just like my reactions on the side, because they're actually pretty funny. Yeah, shout out to that guy. All his links are down below.
My apologies.
To the morning. Drop it like
Monsters.
So let the madness begin.
Guys been converted to the Church of Chibs? I sure as hell was. Honestly, he exceeded all of the expectations I had. It was literally top 5 sets of my life. Chibs, someone to look out for. I think everyone at Valhalla can agree with this statement that he had the set of the weekend. And I'm so excited to see what he has in the future. His tunes are fucking wild. He blessed me with a lot of them, and oh my god, my sets have gotten so much spicier. I gotta give a special shout out to Ryan, aka Chibs, an amazing human being, and I got to spend a week with him in Montreal at Valhalla. We're booling out together, got to know him really well, even though like I met him twice before. Once it was like 2017 LA when he came and played with Getorix for the Hostile Takeover, and then again in Australia for Escape Music Festival when I played in 2018. But since then he has leveled up extremely, and I'm super proud to see his progress. I know that he is going to be a prominent figure in our scene. He already is, but just watch out. The next couple months this guy is going to blow up, and I'm so happy to have this footage. Great. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking it through to this edit. After this, I was completely dead. Like I said, I didn't really sleep. I drove so much, did this set. Afterwards, your boy was, it was a great time. Regardless, as I said before, I will go more in depth about the whole Valhalla experience later on. I just wanted to get this footage out to you guys. Once again, mega shout out to whoisbrian and also FPS Festival for the little clips that I used. You guys are amazing. Keep doing your work, keep on the grind. I love seeing your perspective, and this is something that I'm going to incorporate in my future videos. And if anyone's interested in, you know, collaborating and doing video work together, let's talk. I have many ideas for the future. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you all. We will return to the originally scheduled program of going back chronologically into my life with the next upload of me going to Infekt's wedding. So keep it locked for that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be in Europe next week for a drop and bass. Real quick, I'm just letting you guys know. So it's gonna be cool. Cheery.
I'm green.